Yeah, get your head back. Oh, Dad's got the camera on. Turn around and say, hi, Dad. Matt, say, hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Hi.
Oh, you did that, Mom.
You got to get that off there.
Oh, eat it.
You got to get it off.
No, you.
Oh, what does it look like?
Okay, reach your hand in here and get
No,
it out.
you.
You got to get it out.
No, you. You,
Come
Mom.
on.
Matt, it's your pumpkin.
Dad, you. Mommy, you. You, Mom. Right?
I think it feels weird.
No, Mommy,
Yeah,
you.
you're the man. You gotta do it.
Mommy, you. You, Mom. No, you.
You got to get it out.
No, you.
I bet Robbie would get it out.
What?
Get it out.
Get it out, Matt.
No, you, Mom.
No.
Mommy,
can't.
Dad did it out.
That's all right. We don't have to carve it.
Hmm?
We don't have to carve it.
Why?
Well, you got to get the seeds out in order to carve it. Watch out.
It's yucky.
What, Matt? Don't get out this close. I'm using a knife.
Mommy, it's yucky.
I know it's
That's alright.
You Dad did it though. Dad did it. Oh, no.
Matt, I have a knife. Get back.
Mom?
Reach your hand in here. Come on. Get it out.
Right, it's dirty.
It's not dirty. It's seeds.
Mom,
Come on. You got to get it out, Matt.
you gotta turn it on.
You got to stick your hand. You got to stick your hand in here.
No!
Matt,
You
come
gotta
on. Look
turn
at it.
it on. No! No!
That's what you're supposed to do.
No! It's not Halloween.
It's not Halloween? You mean you're not going to dress up then?
What is that, Mom? What's on there?
Come on, Matt. Look at it.
What?
See, I'll get it.
That.
Oh, God.
Matt, come on.
Ooh.
Yeah, get up there and do it.
Bet Chloe would stick her hands in here.
Why?
Chloe
Why?
would stick her hands in when she gets older. She's not
Why?
going to be afraid of it.
Uh-oh. Here you go.
Chloe wants to help. She's crying because she can't. Get your hands in the area. Because I know Chloe wouldn't cry. His face covered. There you go. Okay, get some more.
Get it all. Ooh.
Okay, reach in there. Reach in there. Chloe says, I want to stick my hands in there.
What you do with it, man?
Richie, we gotta put it in right. All right, Matthew's helping me. Not many seeds in this one.
This one. I see.
You gonna eat them?
Huh?
You gonna eat those seeds?
Yeah, I see them.
Can you get the gunk out?
Mom, we didn't cook them right
I
now.
don't know, we might. Would you want to?
Yeah.
Was that on the right spot?
I don't know. I just went ahead and take.
We have to get you on a camcorder too with your costume tomorrow. I'm just gonna have to stop helping you here and pick up Chloe, or else Daddy's gonna have to. Right, see, it's gushy. Put it between your fingers, it's gushy. You should carve a pumpkin at school.
Yeah.
Ooh, he put it on his arm, just like Swamp Thing.
So it looks like Swamp Thing.
Yuck. Getting brave.
Put it in your head, Matt. The pumpkin.
Say no.
They call you Pumpkinhead. Your sister's not being too good right now. Oh, you're supposed to be on camera.
Yeah.
Hey, Chloe.
Go to town, man. Put her thumb in her mouth. Take that out. Put her thumb in her mouth. Oh, you don't want that there, huh?
Hey. Hey. Oh.
All right, Chloe, I'll get ya. I'll get ya.
Hey. Hey.
Hang on. Get that out. Spoon. Yeah, Becky used a spoon to get it out.
Use Matthew's head.
See, he's getting in there, aren't you, Matt?
My leaves. Sings. It sings.
Watch out.
But then.
Nothing.
Ooh, Matt, you're getting it.
Oh, he was being mean. He was being mean.
Who turned the TV on, Matt?
Huh?
Did you turn the TV on?
Yeah.
Go turn it off. Now go sit down and carve your pumpkin. Come on.